In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Genshin Impact on full screen. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you have to do to set your Genshin Impact to full screen on any resolution that you wish is to open up the settings and go into the graphical settings. When you select graphics, you will be able to find the display mode. This is where we can select the resolution that we want. As you can see, all of them say windowed and only the one at the top says full screen. This is the resolution of your monitor, your native resolution. All you have to do is either select this top one and the game will automatically fit your screen the maximum resolution possible on full screen, or alternatively, let's say you want a smaller resolution, maybe because you need more FPS. All you have to do is select the full screen resolution that you want, close down the graphics menu, and now press Alt plus Enter on your keyboard. As soon as you press Alt and Enter, the game will enter full screen. I didn't cut the video or anything, the game immediately goes into full screen, regardless of which resolution you picked. As you can see, if you want to go off of full screen, press Alt plus Enter again, and as you can see, you can notice my desktop on the background. The game is now on windowed mode again. You can select any resolution that you wish, or the native one at the top, in order to play on full screen, and you can change this anytime that you wish. Simply press Alt plus Enter on your keyboard. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Genshin Impact full screen. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.